If you have to ask anything, do ask now. God will give you. A sincere prayer will never go unheard. Nature does it that way. There is water when you are thirsty. Before you are thirsty, there will be water. Believe, before it is summer, trees are full of leaves to give you shade. Before it is winter, trees shed leaves, so whatever sun is there, you can get. Before the calf is born, there is milk in the cow. Know that you will always be provided. Know that you will always be provided. Know that you will always be provided. Om Bhuswaha Agnaye Idam Namama Bhuvaswaha Vayave Idam Namama Swaswaha Suryaya Idam Namama Bhur Swaha Prajapataye Idam Namama Om Trayambakaim Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarugamiva Bandhanan Mrityur Mukshiyamamrutat Swaha Om Trayambakaim Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarugamiva Bandhanan Mrityur Mukshiyamamrutat Swaha Om Trayambakaim Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarugamiva Bandhanan Mrityur Mukshiyamamrutat Swaha. Trayambaka Homa in Agnihotra, it is said as per Vedic chanting Trayambakaim, not Trayambakam. So today, July 24th, 9 a.m. Vyakriti Homam and Trayambaka Homa. All the best wishes to everyone who watched this full video. Jai Gurudev. Pranams to Pujya Sri Sri Ravi Shankar Ji. Gurudev. Jai Gurudev.